Say hi to YouTube, Daniel. Look what we got going on right here. Big, tremendous, huge shout out to my boy, Josh. Josh is the type of friend that when he sees you struggling, he will offer to help no matter what. So he's a good friend of mine. He's been watching me struggle with the tire situation on my car where I keep spinning in the wheel. And he happens to have a twin turbo Trans Am just like mine, black in color. You guys may remember because we raced him at the track one time. An expert?
Tranny Josh.
Tranny Josh. Turbo Trans Am, he's coming too. What's up, Josh?
What's up?
People.
Hi, people.
Unfortunately, he hasn't been racing his car lately. Not because he doesn't want to. He's just been really tied up. He's going to school on top of having an everyday job just like I do. He offered to let me borrow these bad boys and put them on my car to officially turn myself into a race car, which was awfully nice of him. His car's going to be down for a while he finishes the last semester of school that he's got going on. So we're going to put these on the bullet for the next couple races and see what that nets us. And I think this is going to solve a lot of our issues. We got mechanic Mike.
¿Cómo le vamos a poner? ¿Cómo la quieres poner?
You don't know how to put a tire on? Just put it on. Mechanic Mike and Bodyman Daniel. No, the other way.
Aquí dice rotation.
That goes on the bottom. Apparently we need two people to put a tire on, but okay, now the bead sits, yeah, the bead sits right there in that spot. And then we put the bead lock on. Bead pass, it looks like the other bead just sits on this little outside edge, and then we put the bead ring on it, put the bolts on it, and it should keep everything together, Mike.
I hope so.
I hope so, me too.
Yeah.
I got them all snug. This is probably the most nerve-wracking thing I've ever done, because they're not my wheels, and I've never put bead locks on before. So I had to YouTube it to make sure I was doing the right thing, and then that's it. Now we just got to put air in this thing, and then torque these down to 20, and we'll be good to go. Experts. And just like that, we got ourselves a nice bead locked wheel. I gotta still get final torque these. It's done, ready to go on the car. Perfect. Oh man. Oh man. Look what we got here. Oh. I'm gonna have to get some bead locks. I'm gonna have to stop playing around, become a race car, and get some bead locks. This is crazy. I just gotta torque these down real quick. We'll set the car down and we'll give it another look. Whew. Whew. Man, I don't know what to say. Gorgeous. Plain gorgeous right there. So, only a couple of things left to do to really get ready for Cleetus cars. I'm gonna change the spark plugs, and we're gonna finish fitting the hood there so we can have a hood for Cleetus and cars. And I'm gonna get rid of these Texas 2K stickers. I like them, I've been rocking them. It's nice that they don't write on your windshield because they just basically use this number. But I think we need a little bit of a change of luck. Get rid of that bad Texas 2K juju that I had going on. But yeah, I'm gonna get rid of them. Start anew. We're gonna start anew. This is what we changed. I lowered the instant center on the car. I made sure that everything lined up, and then redid the alignment after all those changes to make sure that our thrust angle was straight and that we're gonna go down the track straight. Because it's no longer pulling, that's not the issue. It just seems like it's unloading the suspension after the 60 foot. Instant center, the bead lock, transmission crossmember being in a bind. And I think all those things coupled with the way the alignment is now, a lot more confident now than in the last video of this thing going down the track 100%. We won't find out till Friday. We're gonna make some test hits before Cleetus and cars. But man, I'm feeling really, really good about the setup, especially with the bead locks. And now that I know the instant center is a lot lower, especially from what I read, I'm pretty excited about it. So we're gonna change out these spark plugs, finish fitting the hood like I said, and get ready for Cleetus and cars. Alright, so fast forward a bunch of days later. I've been a little busy at work, so it's been a little bit rough, but we're just kind of prepping for Cleetus and cars, getting everything ready. We'll do that, but first, I'm over here, like I said, at Andy's. We're gonna swap trailers, and I'm gonna check out his rat rod because he's in typical Andy fashion. He's last minute doing a bunch of stuff to his rat rod, trying to get it ready. So we'll let him explain here since I just got here.
Bought it. Damn it, Elizabeth.
Yeah, I know.
Every time she does that.
So, one day before race day, and the truck's on jack stands.
And I called everybody out.
And you called You're calling everybody out and don't even have a running truck. That's cool.
More important, I got you.
Last minute. Why don't you explain?
What are you talking about? You're the
my car's ready.
Of doing
my car's ready, bro.
No.
My car's ready. I'm going racing tomorrow.
Literally that's like the only event of the year that you've been prepared, actually. Don't you remember when we put your car together on a Sunday at Abe's shop? And we loaded your car up when it was overheating, and we cut the license plate hole on your front bumper. Do you remember that? Because I truly remember that.
I think I went second place that day too. Explain to the people why you decided to take your transmission and rear end out a day before the event, even though you knew about this 3 weeks ago.
Because I'm the master of procrastinating. I procrastinate everything. I was sitting back and I was drinking a margarita. I'm like, I'm gonna be really screwed if I don't have enough RPM to cross the traps with those tires.
I can at least appreciate his honesty. Here's the plan.
I want to tell your followers, turn it around.
Oh my God. What?
This guy has been working on this truck. That guy has done nothing. Okay?
Why am I here then?
Because I don't know how to do the updates and stuff like that.
So.
You're like the IT guy.
So you basically lied because I'm here working on it.
No, you're like the IT guy.
Anyway, so what are we upgrading? Well, come to find out that last pass when Andy ran that, what'd you run, like a 10.8 or something? So,
yeah,
anyways,
93.
he ran
150.8.
You ran that last pass, you pretty much toasted your transmission. It was toast. And on top of that, like I've been telling him to do for the last 3 weeks, change the gear ratio in the trans. It's too high for what we're doing. You're running quarter mile, you're running faster. I've been telling him for weeks to do it. He didn't want to do it till last minute. What is that?
Cheers, guys.
Lemonade? Oh.
It's a margarita.
Can I have a Coke or a lemonade or something?
You want a curse line?
No, I'm like a Coke. Anyways, last minute, he didn't listen to me. He had the gear steer. I don't know why he decided, why he just wouldn't get it done, but either way, last minute, one more thing, the gears are almost ready. Our buddy Abe at Lunatic Custom Performance.
Lunatic,
yeah,
boom, making it happen.
He's helping
4
us
hour
out.
turnaround.
Yeah, he's helping us out on that. So, yeah,
hey,
he's got a lot of work. You're gonna have a fun time tomorrow by yourself.
I got a big shout out to Brian Luna for taking care of my baby
from
for a
Mexico
year.
Racing League. Got your helmet back.
And it smells just like him, and I don't appreciate that.
What is?
Smells like Mexico in there.
I was just about to ask what he smelled like.
It smells like Mexico.
That is so rude.